How many have joined?
So 11 students.
11. Any of those 11, any you want to ask anything, you can submit the term papers by tomorrow evening.
If any query regarding term paper, please ask.
Any question?
Sir, so we will have to present that all those GI term paper and other
Yes.
also.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
that will be in this class, in the class time.
No, I think I'll have to have some additional time for this because the number is too large. If they are
Yes,
say,
sir.
so we'll have fixed
We
some.
can have on Sunday or Saturday, something like
तो
that.
ये Thursday को decide कर लेंगे हम लोग सब है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this, when I just have a look at the term papers tomorrow, day after, I'll have time on Wednesday, so Thursday will decide the time. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like at least we need like every group will need a 20 to 30 minute maybe.
No, 10 minutes is enough.
So, sir, in 10 minutes, we will not be able to present all those details. Maybe we will present only important things, and other things will be there in these slides, but we will not present.
एक PhD थीसिस जो होती है वो 5 साल में 4 साल में होती है, वो 30 मिनट्स में प्रेजेंटेशन हो जाता है उसका.
Okay. So we will be presenting only summary and important things.
Obviously important things, and you have to decide exactly what you should present in 10 minutes. You can write down everything, but everything you need not read it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to write in 12 font and read every sentence, every word, then you need half an hour. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think I understood. Okay, sir.
So now among the topics left today, I'm discussing design, and there will be copyright and international treaties and trademark. Okay, these 3 topics are left. So
sir, can you please upload the slides which have been previous lectures?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Sir, please do.
Yeah, I'll do that. So can we start now today?
Yes, sir, we can.
So design registration under the Design Act 2000, and the salient features of what we are discussing today is the definition of original, design, and article. The design is of an article. So what is design? What is original design? What is article? This amplifies the scope of prior publication. Now, how the prior publication is important in terms of design, like same thing in the patents. What has been already known, novelty, these aspects are important. And then identification of non-registrable designs, objectionable designs. Something which is, you say that some design which is, projecting something which is more something related to sexuality or something which is, objectionable. People may have any objection to such designs. You make a talcum powder, and the talcum powder container is, depicting something which is objectionable. Then international system of classification, then maintenance of design register in electronic form. And now all the registers are in the electronic form also. The restoration of the left design, like the left patent, if you have forgotten to renew the design, for patent you have to renew it every year up to the last 19th year for the 20th year. But in case of design, it is only, the once you register for 10 years, and then you can renew it for 5 years. But again, every year you have to go for registration. Paying the renewal fee. Then appeal against the order of controller in the High Court instead of central government. If you are not happy with the controller's order, then you can go to the High Court, and there is enhanced penalty for infringement of registered design. This is the format of today's presentation. Then cancellation before the controller. The design can be cancelled. Cancellation as a defense in infringement. A term of registration announced from 5 to 10 years which is further extendable to 5 years by 5 years. Earlier it was 5 years, now it is 10 years plus 5 years extendable. Priority of other countries allowed under the convention. The convention countries are those which have signed the Paris Convention. And if any design may be registered in a country which is under Paris Convention, which is signatory to Paris Convention, the same date of priority will be given in other countries if you register design within 6 months. For patent, it was 1 year, but for design, it is 6 months. Avoidance of certain restrictive conditions in contractual licenses. There might be some restrictive conditions. Then specific provisions to protect the security of India. There are some specific provisions in our Designs Act for the protection of security of India. Okay. This is the same diagram which I had showed you earlier. The design is there, patent, trademark, design, all these things. So design is there. How the camera looks. Then design means only the features of shape, configuration. Features of shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, and composition of lines or colors or combination thereof. You can have like a yellow color with that some black and yellow. That indicated Kodak. So color combination can be there, patterns can be there. You see the logos of different cars. They can be registered in as a trademark, and same can be registered as a design. Okay, so design are there of the physical shape. If it's 3-dimensional or something, you can register it. 2-dimensional can also be registered. So it is the design or features of the shape, configuration, etc. It is applied to any article, whether 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional or both forms, by any industrial process or means, whether manual, mechanical, or chemical, separate or combined. So this is a very wider definition of the design. The ultimate thing is appeal to and just solely by the eye. How it appeals to the eyes. Any design, any combination by manual, mechanical, chemical, or any combination of them, how it looks to your eyes, it has to be judged only with that. And it does not include any mode or principle of construction or anything which is in substance a mere mechanical device. Okay, so design is how it appeals to your eyes, and in this the most important thing is when the goods are there which are for final consumption by the consumers. Okay, if the any component in a camera or any component in any of the automobile, there are 10,000 to 20,000 auto components. So for them, the design, you can have a design, but that is less relevant. It doesn't fetch high value in the market. You say this is your registered design. So there are not many takers of the registered design. But for the final consumer goods, if the design are attractive, the consumers are millions in number, millions and billions in numbers. So that becomes very useful. What is the article? Any article of manufacture and any substance, artificial or partly artificial and partly natural, and include any part of an article capable of being made and sold separately. Any article which is made independently and sold independently, like auto components. I give you the example. Auto components are fitted in a car factory, but also they are sold separately, independently, because when you go to a garage, you go for a motor mechanic. He says that this part is to be replaced. So that also is subject matter of design. That part which is to be replaced, you go in the market, in a auto component shop, and you buy that part, give it to the mechanic. He will put it there in the car. and also when there is car is some accidented, so many parts which have got damaged, they need to be replaced by a new part which is available in the open market. A set of articles. If a group of articles meets the following requirements, then that group of articles may be regarded as a set of articles under the Designs Act. Like cups and saucers type. So ordinarily or on sale or intended to be used together. So like cups and saucers. Do you buy a saucer, cup और plate का जो set होता है चाय पीने के लिए? So you don't buy only plates. You don't buy only that cup. Mug is separate. Mug is, stand alone. You use the mug for drinking tea. But the uh, cup and saucer, they are to be used together, sold together, all having common design, even though articles are different. Uh, Articles may be different, but they have a common design. So that also the same, set of articles would be considered as far as design sector is concerned. So suppose you have got a, you know, uh, any product you put it in the shape of a clock. So design is that clock, and it is in the wall, the timepiece that that clock you have got, or you make a sharpener, or you put a pencil or pen container in the shape of a clock. So the design of a clock is a design, whether you use it for keeping pencils as a container, or you use it as a wall clock, or a timepiece, the alarm clock type. So that design is registered, and that design registered is a design. It can be used for multiple types of articles. Same general character, and then generally an article having the same design and sold in different sizes is not considered as a set of articles. Uh, for example, the spoon. Spoons, there is a design. The spoons are sold in different sizes. Okay, so that spoons which are being sold in different uh, sizes, they are considered as a not considered as a set of articles. Okay, because spoon to be used is standalone. They are not to be used together. Okay, छोटा size, बड़ा size, medium size spoons. The overall design may be the same, but they will not be considered as a set of articles because they are used independently. But in tea set, it is used uh, jointly. Tea set, cups and saucer, that teapot, milk pot, sugar pot, they're all used as jointly for serving tea. They are the set of articles. Then what are the criteria for registration? It should be new or original, not previously published in India or anywhere else in any other country, not registered under Designs Act, and not contrary to public order or morality. These are the conditions for which would qualify it as a new or original. For registrable, the design registrable when it meets the following three conditions. Then a design may be registered in not more than one class. Uh, I give you the example of a alarm clock. The alarm clock design will be registered in alarm clock class of designs. Suppose you say the same design you want to register it for a table type of sharpener, or for keeping the pencils, uh, other stationery items on the table, instead of another kind of a container for keeping pencils, then it will not be registered again as a separate design for the other category of product. In case of doubt as to the class of registration, the controller may decide the issue, and if you're not happy with that decision, you can go to High Court. And his decision is the matter in the final, but it is all subject to being reviewed by the High Court and then ultimately by the Supreme Court. What are not registrable? Principles or mode of construction of article, building and structure which is not manufactured. So a house का design जो होता है, you may get a house made in a particular design. So that is not a manufacturable item. So that is not registrable under the Designs Act. The architects can have their separate registration, but not in the Designs Act of the, in the thing, it is only manufactured items. Then solely functional feature of shape, a part of an article not sold separately. Okay, something which is not being sold independently is not registrable. It should be, as I told you, auto component. If it had been only part of the integrated system by the automobile company, then it will not be registrable under Designs Act. But if it is auto component sold in the replacement market also, then it will be registrable independently as a design. And variations commonly used in the trade, stamps, labels, token, medals, trademarks, property marks, cards, cartoons, etc. They are not registrable in the Designs Act. Mere change in size is also not registrable. Design contrary to public order or morality also not registrable. Computer chip, integrated circuit designs may not be considered as the subject matter for registration of design under the Designs Act 2000. Okay, so over the computer chip, it is of course it is sold independently also, but rarely. Computer chip is part of the integral part of the computer, and you go to the market, you think I want a chip, it is not sold. The computer manufacturers buy it in bulk from the chip manufacturers. Priority of convention applications abroad. Convention application, the application which is in a country which is signatory to Paris Convention. So an applicant can claim a priority of foreign application if filed in any of the convention countries. So if you are filed in your own country and you are a convention country, you apply for the registration of the same design in some other country, you will get the same date of priority as you got in your own country. And the application can be filed within 6 months from the priority date in any other country. The refusal of design registration, the controller may refuse to register a design, use of which would be contrary to public order or morality, and it can be challenged only in the High Court and then further in the Supreme Court. All the designs which are registered are published. Every Friday they are published. A design shall be published after its registration. The design shall be open to public inspection after publication, not before publication. Register of design, the patent office to maintain a register to be called as design register. The register can be maintained wholly or partly on computer copies or diskettes. The register shall contain these three things: name and address of proprietors of the registered design, notification of assignments and of transmissions of registered designs. If you have assigned your design to someone else, you may be the owner, but then if you are any other matter as may be prescribed by the Controller General. So these are the things, and this is important because you can, if you have registered a design, and if your name, address, mobile, email, etc. are given, people can contact you for license, and it is useful for both the parties, licensor and the licensee. Cancellation of registered design. The registration of design may be cancelled at any time after its registration on a petition for cancellation in Form 8, which with a prescribed fee of rupees 1500 to the controller of design uh, on the following grounds: if the design has been previously registered in India by mistake of the registry, design registry, or the uh, you know the officials, they have by mistake they have registered the design thinking that it was not registered, and this was earlier more it was uh, something more problem than now because of digitization of everything now. Earlier physically you have to see the design, and maybe suppose some design was registered 50 years ago and then it was never used. So the present person official in the registrar's office will find it new and he may register it. But suppose somebody says it was already registered 50 years ago, then it can be cancelled. Then if it has been published in India or any other country prior to the date of registration, you applied and before that it has been published anywhere, it is either published or registered. Or if the design is not new or original design, if it is not new, you cannot register it. If the design is not registrable under this act, under the morality and public order, or if the design as a definition of design under the section 2. So if the design is quite similar, not exactly the identical, but quite similar to any other design, you may use it for production purpose. It is not considered as infringement, but you cannot register a design which is very similar to some other design, because the novelty aspect should be very, the novelty should be well established, and any appeal against the order of the controller in the can be there in the High Court. Restoration of elapsed design, same like in patents, a design shall cease to have effect if the extension fee is not paid within the prescribed time. An application for restoration of can be filed within 1 year from the date on which the design ceased to have effect before the controller with the prescribed fee. Application shall contain a statement fully setting out the circumstances which led to failure to pay the prescribed fee. So same like patents, it is not a mandatory, it is not your right to get your left design restored. So you have to explain the circumstances why you could not pay the prescribed fee, and depending on the merits of your case, the controller may allow you, but whatever circumstances you tell, the controller may even ask the evidence for the same to satisfy that yes, your claim is genuine. The controller shall restore the design if he is satisfied that failure to pay the fee for extension of the period of the design was not intentional. This is very important. It should not be intentional. If you have decided not to renew the design and then you make a story, it will not be acceptable, and it cannot be restored. There has been no delay in making of the application for restoration. The day you realize that the same thing, suppose a person, a manager working in a small unit, a small scale unit, uh, leaves the office, and after 6 months you realize that there was a design which you had registered, but it was not renewed because that person had left. So immediately after that, immediately means within a day or two, you should file an application. Okay, that I just realized that this has not been registered, it has not been renewed, and we wanted to renew it, but the manager has left the job, and you can even attach his resignation letter, and he stopped coming to the office from that date onwards, or maybe unfortunately person died in the COVID, so we did not know, or I was suffering from COVID for 2 months, I did not get time to pay the renewal fee. Any such thing is possible. So it should be all, you should be ready to produce the documentary evidence for all such things, because you may be asked to produce the documentary evidence for any such, uh, you know, the reason for which you are seeking restoration of the less design. And the applicant has to pay the unpaid fee for the extension period also. The whatever the time period of the less period, that also you have to pay that renewal fee. No suit for infringement or other proceedings in respect of piracy shall be commenced for the period between the date on which the design ceased to be there and the design on which it was restored. In between, suppose somebody has started a factory and making some product of that design, and this thing is entirely on basis of that this design was not renewed, and a person has invested 10 crore rupees and he's now making it. So during a period it was not in force, he has made it, fine. But after that, if he makes, you have to go to the court of law, and the judge will decide on the merits of the two parties, the arguments of the two parties. If he says that if I had known that it is going to be restored, I would not have taken a loan from the bank of 10 crore rupees. And but now since I have taken if the design has been restored, and because of the restoration, if I am not allowed to produce the product, how will I repay the loan to the bank? So in such circumstances, uh, that person may be allowed by the court to continue production. But these are all depends on the arguments in the court of law. Industrial and international exhibition. If you've shown a design in any such international exhibition, uh, if the exhibitor exhibiting the design or article or publishing a description of the design without consent of the proprietor, such exhibition of design or publication or description of design shall not prevent the design from being registered or invalidated the registration thereof, provided that the exhibitor exhibiting the design or article or publishing a description of the design gives to the controller previous notice in the prescribed form number 9 with prescribed fee of rupees 500. Otherwise, anything which is shown by somebody else other than the owner of the design will not be invalidating your design registration. But if any such exhibitor had done it, then it is a different issue. The application for registration is made within 6 months from the date of first exhibiting the design or article or publishing a description of the design by the owner. Okay. That means uh, the application for registration made within 6 months. You have shown some design in an international exhibition. You are ready with the design, and then you show it in an exhibition. So within 6 months, you can file the design application. It will not be considered as it will not lose the novelty. It is within past 6 months. Then this is based on the Locarno agreement, the international classification of designs. It was Locarno agreement was concluded in 1968, amended in 1979. It is open to members of Paris Convention. Like PCT also, PCT is open to Paris Convention member countries. The Locarno agreement is also open to Paris Convention signatories. It is divided into about 32 classes. The classes can increase depending on new goods keep on coming in the market, new things getting invented, uh, and each class is further divided into 232 subclasses. This 232 is not very hard and fast. It can increase to 233 or 234, and it has been increasing over a period of time. So when I took it last, it was 232. Maybe it's now also it is 232 or maybe 233. It comprises alphabetical list of goods with indication of class. Uh, The classes are in alphabetical order. The list contains 6,000 indication of goods. So 6,000 goods are there. For example, sofa cum bed. It is class 6, which is furnishing. And sofa cum bed is subclass 01, which is beds and seats. So this is the way the international classification under Locarno agreement is there. When should you file a design application? Filing should be made immediately after developing the idea for commercial working. So whenever you know, there's so many designs, uh, and there are people who are, actively in the field of designing, like NID graduates, NID faculty, uh, NID National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. So they are continuously doing it. So as soon as they get idea that this is the design they would like to do it, it is ready for commercial working. Working means it is not an invention, it is only the how it appeals to the eyes. Then you can publish the design. You can take the photographs of the prototype, and then you can, file your design registration application. Delay in filing may involve certain risks. What are the problems? Other design of substantially same nature may be taken uh, the advantage of priority. So as I told earlier, that you cannot have a design register which is, uh, uh, you know, substantially same with other design which are already registered or whose application has been there before your application. So if you delay for 1 month, कि हाँ करना है कर देंगे अभी करते हैं कल करते हैं चलो अगले वीक में कर देंगे, and 1 month other design has been applied for with almost a similar features, then your application will be rejected because your design is substantially similar to the design which was examined earlier and given the which was registered and given the priority date earlier. And inadvertent publication of design by inventor or others may damage the novelty of design. Uh, an inadvertent publication of design. Now, it is the outlook of a this thing. It can be design of a toy, can be design of a mobile phone, it can be design of a, you know, uh, no, this uh, deo or perfume. It can be design of a soap. Pear soap is oval shaped soap, right? There different types of shapes of soaps are there. So yesterday there was a Daily Times and Times of India. I saw the pizza is there. In that pizza, the uh, momos are there. 4 momos on the 4 sides. For this thing. So it was a pizza design with momos. So there could be, n number of things which are possible in the designs. Uh, and food inventions are not patentable, but the designs of the food items may be registered under Designs Act. The design should be filed before any kind of publication or commercial using or communication to others. Same like patents, although you can file up to 6 months, but it is best that design should be first registered and then exhibited in any exhibition or told to anyone or published or written an article about or disclosed to other people. How do you file a design application? Uh, the the receiving and examination office is Calcutta, head office of designs, patent office in Calcutta, which also serves as the head office of for design purpose. And Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai centers are the receiving centers, and they receive the application and forward it to Calcutta head office for design purpose. And but When the application is online, then there is no problem. You send it straight to Calcutta.
Sir, these centers are for patents and GI registration, all IP registration also,
No,
right?
no.
Okay.
GI registration is only in Chennai,
Okay.
and all other are for patent, trademark, and designs. All these 4 offices: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. All these are 4 offices are there for patent, design, and trademark.
Okay.
Okay.
For
So,
GI only Chennai.
yeah, GI is only Chennai, and this Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai patent offices, they receive design applications only. They don't process the applications.
Okay. So applications are processed in Kolkata head
Yeah,
office.
yeah, receiving and examination, processing, examination is done there in Calcutta office. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The filing procedure and formalities are: an applicant. Applicant means any individual or legal entity, a company, or NGO, or any such body, academic institution, IIT Delhi. These can be applicant. The application means one application in prescribed form for one design in one class with prescribed fees to be filed. They represented 4 sets of representation with the different views of the article for clear understanding of the nature of article. So 4, you have to 4 sets of representation with different views. आप फ्रंट से लेंगे, लेफ्ट से, राइट से, बैक से, टॉप से 5 फोटोग्राफ्स ले सकते हैं ना आप, तो कम से कम 4 होने चाहिए, 4 sets of representation, so that it is clear that what is the nature of design you are seeking registration for. Then only it is possible to process further for the registration purpose. Then there is declaration, self-declaration by the applicant about a statement of novelty and disclaimers that it is according to them, to the best of my knowledge and belief, this design has been made by me or my institution or my company, and uh, it is it has a novelty in it. It is not substantially the same as in any other previous design which is registered, or any design which is not registered but which is available anywhere in the market or anywhere. Okay. Then for you can give anyone power of attorney to file a design on your behalf. Any questions?
So one question.
Yeah.
So when we file a patent or a design for a design, suppose the validity date is up to 2019. उसके बाद 19 के immediately बाद तो किसी ने शायद अगर नहीं कराया उसे दोबारा register नहीं कराया, but he intends to get it registered, but maybe there is a period where he has not and the validity date is over. So what will be the status of that ABC product, patent or design for that given period when it has not been registered again?
Same thing. There is no difference. But thing is that when it is the annual registration, annual renewal, in annual renewal, you can, restore it, patent within 1 year, the design within 6 months. You can go for restoration with a request. And request can be considered by the office of the, controller's office, Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademark, that office, based on the merits of your circumstances, the reason why you could not pay the renewal fee. But if you say that my design up to 9 years you paid the renewal fee, and after 10 years, you said after 4 months, you say I want to pay the renewal fee, but it is not the renewal fee. It is the renewal of the or extension of the design registration. So design registration extension intent should have been shown earlier. In a particular form is there, in that you say that this design number is there, which is 10-year validity period is expiring on this particular date. All the 9 years I have paid the fee for design renewal, and I want this to be extended by another 5 years. Okay.
Yes.
So only after that, the second clause will be there possible that you, uh, for any circumstances, you could not pay the fee for the 11th year. But this information should be with the controller's office before you ask for your, paying the renewal fee.
Right.
11th year you cannot pay the renewal fee after within 6 months कि वो तो मतलब रेस्टोर कर दो, लैप्स हो गया. वो restoration concept is when it is the first 10 years. Okay. And after you have got the validity of the design extended by another 5 years, then again after 1 year it will be again applicable as the, suppose after 12th year you could not pay for the same reasons, you could not pay the renewal fee for design renewal, then the same thing applies as it was there after 5 years or 6 years or 7 years or 8 years.
Right.
But 10th to 11th year, this should have been already, information should have been there in the proper form and all that with the Controller General's office. Okay.
So, ये क्वेश्चन सर इसलिए आया क्योंकि जब हम जीआई कर रहे थे तो उसमें एक या दो प्रोडक्ट्स मेरी लिस्ट में ऐसे थे जिनका वैलिडिटी डेट खत्म हो गया था. एक का 2019 था. तो अब उस प्रोडक्ट को, उस जीआई को हम रजिस्टर्ड मानेंगे या उसका स्टेटस क्या होगा अगर हमें उसका स्टेटस लिखना है तो? Unregistered.
See, there is a little difference between GI and other types of IPRs. Say like trademark and design. These are the things which other people can say. Let me tell you one by one. For patent, if your registration is over, it is less patent. And if anybody starts manufacturing that thing at that point of time, you cannot question it because that person started manufacturing it during the period of when it was not in force.
Yes.
Okay. Now, similar thing is for the design, right? For trademark, nobody else will be able to use it because the trademark is perpetually renewable, and nobody can get a trademark. Nobody can get a trademark which is which is confusing to the people, which is deceptive.
Yes.
Okay, suppose Bata is renewing it, so Bata did not renew for 1 year, Coca-Cola did not renew it for 1 year, or say the period in which they have to pay the renewal fee, and I say I am now making a drink called Coca-Cola. That is not possible. Okay. But in GI is an association of the registered manufacturers. Okay. Now, those people who are members of the association, now what happened that they know that the association has got a, appointed director, executive director, or whatever the name a person is known there, who is employed by the association. That person and his subordinate, they were new, they did not know, they forgot or something. So in that case, in GI, it is not that somebody else will go for that GI, using that GI. Nobody can use that GI. For design, patent, trademark is a different thing. Particularly for patent and design is a different thing. But as far as the GI is concerned, suppose there are, 500 growers of Darjeeling tea.
Yes.
And they did not renew it on a particular date when they were supposed to renew after 10 years and after 4 months. So who can grow Darjeeling tea? Nobody.
Nobody. Yes.
Because all the people who were growing Darjeeling tea, they were members of the association.
Yes.
So that problem misuse is not there in geographical indication.
Right, sir.
And I'm, one has to study more in detail uh, about the, left trademark registration and left GI registrations, renewal systems, and all that. Okay.
Right, sir.
One
Right.
has to study more in detail, which I have not done. But I think now all these things are open to everybody. Anybody can read it and know if you are further interested in this aspect.
Yes. Thank you.
Now, this is the representation sheet. Number of sheet is this sheet number 1. Total number of sheets is 5. Number of sheets is 5. And this sheet number 1. Okay. So as I told you that side view, this is the side view of this pressure cooker. I know. On this side, when you put use, keep it in the handle in your hands, then it is the left view. Okay. This is also a left view of this one. So you have to show the right view, this front view, back view, so front, back, left, right for views, and from the top. These are possible. Now, suitable form of disclaimer. No claim is made by virtue of this registration to any right to the use or as a trademark of what is shown in the representations. And no claim is made, these are the disclaimers. No claim is made by virtue of the registration in respect of any mechanical or their action of the mechanism, whatever, or in respect of any mode or principle of construction of the article. And third disclaimer is no claim is made by virtue of this registration to any right to the exclusive use of the words, letters, numerals, plaques, crowns, arms, etc., appearing in the design. So these are the 3 basic disclaimers you have to give, that you are not claiming any of these 3. Okay. In your form, these disclaimers are to be signed by you. So this is the, what we have discussed earlier. It is the same thing put in a flow diagram format. Design application filed at approved patent office, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. As per your jurisdiction, if you are filing from Chandigarh, you file your design application in Delhi patent office. It will be examined in Kolkata. If you are in, depending on which state comes, if you are in Gujarat, you file your patent application or design application in Mumbai office. Okay, Mumbai patent office, where there is a division of design. There is one division for trademark, one division for patents, and like that. So after you file the application, it is substantive examination of the application, and after the substantive examination of the application, any objections, if there are, they are communicated to the applicant. And if you don't meet the objections, the registration is refused, which can be appealed in the High Court and further in the Supreme Court. And if High Court or Supreme Court accepts your petition, then it is notified in official gazette and you get the patent. If it is rejected, registration certificate is if it is rejected, then nothing happens. Okay, there is nothing in between here. Then if you meet the objections, then it is accepted, then it's notified in the official gazette, and the journal of patent journal, official journal of the patents, trademarks and designs, these 2 journals are there. In the patents, the designs are also there. So these are then your design is registered and registration certificate is issued. The statement of novelty you have to give. Novelty resides in the shape and configuration of the pressure cooker, as illustrated here. Novelty resides in the shape and configuration, particularly in the portions marked A, B, and C. The novelty resides in the shape and configuration, particularly in the portions marked A and B of the pressure cooker as illustrated, or novelty resides in the ornamental surface pattern. Now we go back to the pressure cooker and see that novelty resides in the shape and configuration. In this, the lid is different type. No, so these are the things which are in this. It is flat. In this one, it is, sliding down. You can see this.
Yes, sir, we can see.
This is a statement of novelty. So you can say it's a ornamental shape, like the top, which was a slanting on all this thing, in a like a disc having been pulled from the center. Okay. In terms of registration, registered design is 10 years from the date of registration, extendable for another 5 years. These are some important things. I have put it here, but they are all, I do not know whether they have been revised. Sometimes what happens that such news items are so less in the newspapers or television news that, we get all the politics and all kinds of news in the news channels, in the television and everywhere, but important knowledge-based news are not there. So if these have been revised, then you have to find the latest one. Okay, you can just read it. This is the last I took it from. So this is about any questions in this? I'll upload this, all these things I'll upload. Okay. Now you want to talk to me? Anything on design you want to discuss? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Anything on design or anything on the term paper?
Yes, sir.
Any other question you want to ask?
Oh, no, currently, I don't have questions, sir. So, but
Okay.
So we have just 3 classes left, so 11th तक.
नहीं ज़्यादा है तो मैं बताऊँ. I had noted down somewhere on one sheet. I just take out that sheet where I noted down.
So I guess there are 4 classes.
हाँ.
आज ही मिला.
देखो मैं बताता हूँ. हाँ ये है. हाँ 4 classes. 28th, 1st, 8th and 11th.
तो आज की मिला के 4 है सर. हाँ सर.
आज की मिला के 5 है.
आज की मिला के 5 हैं. जो रिमेनिंग है 28th को है on the coming Thursday. 28th है. उसके बाद नवंबर में 1st, 8th and 11th.
हाँ सर. 4 more I think.
है ना. नवंबर 1st, नवंबर 1st, बिकॉज 4th नवंबर को शायद छुट्टी है दिवाली की, कुछ है ना? 4th
Yes,
नवंबर
Yes, sir,
दिवाली,
that can be.
4th
Diwali
नवंबर
को-
दिवाली हॉलीडे, so 8th and 11th, 8th and 11th, Monday and Thursday, so 4 more classes. So in one class I'll talk about the copyright and something on the trademark, and a few things are left which I'll discuss. So maybe if we have very long this thing, then I can, like presentations, a long presentation on any of the weekends. Most likely in this weekend only we should do it, on this Sunday.
Yes, sir. We can do it earlier as earlier as possible. That will be
हाँ,
better for us.
बाद में फिर एग्जाम का प्रेशर आ जाता है, तो इस संडे को ही
I-
कोशिश, है ना?
Yes, sir. In other courses also we have presentations, and that's why I think it will be better if it is going earlier as possible.
सो इस संडे को ही कोशिश करते हैं हम, या सैटरडे को इवनिंग में मेरा एक मीटिंग है, तो आई विल टेल यू वेदर वी कैन हैव सैटरडे संडे बोथ द डेज और ओनली संडे, और व्हेन एग्जैक्टली. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट वर्क इट आउट. If there are any other commitment on Saturday other than the afternoon commitment for a meeting. So if there is no such particular commitment on Saturday, then we can start it Saturday morning. Okay, I'll confirm it to you day after tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, in major exam, what will be the syllabus? Syllabus will be after minor or all the things?
Total. That is a system that whatever the, when there are two minors, between minor 1 and minor 2 was asked in minor 2, and but only thing is that special thing is that in minor 1 major. So in major, what has been already asked in the minor 1, its weightage is proportionately much less. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the proportionately the weightage of what has been done after minor 1, that is a major part of it. But that does not mean that earlier thing cannot come and will not come. It will also come, but only a few things. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Right.
Sir.
Sir,
can you please share the attendance record of students?
Jishan, सबका अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड सबको बता दो, जो टोटल होगा ना.
I will update it.
अपडेट करके, आज तक अपडेट करके, और
I can do one thing.
हाँ,
तक का update हो जाएगा.
थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलो, आवाज कम आ रही है.
सर 28 को इस मंथ का लास्ट क्लास होगा, तो उसके बाद इस पूरे मंथ तक का अपडेट.
आई थिंक दैट इज गुड आइडिया. 28th का क्लास के बाद में 29th को तो देख लेना अपना. ठीक है.
हाँ.
ठीक.
Yes, sir. You can upload that in, maybe that will be in Excel, so that will, you can upload that.
Yes, sure.
Good idea. So shall I close today's class? Tell me.
सर प्रेजेंटेशंस को हम 10 मिनट्स के, मतलब ब्रॉडली 10 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से तैयार करें सर.
बिल्कुल 10 मिनट्स के हिसाब से करें सर.
यस. थैंक यू.
ठीक. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? So shall we close today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो. Okay, all the best.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
इंडिया को
Thank you,
अगले
sir.
मैच में जिताना. ठीक है. इंडिया को अगले मैच में जिताना. कल बड़ा पैथेटिक गेम हुआ था इंडिया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. पाकिस्तान में इट वाज एक्सेलेंट. फर्स्ट टाइम दे डिफीटेड इंडिया इन एनी वर्ल्ड कप, one-day and T20s में. So it was a good day for them. चलो. Okay then.
सर.
हाँ.
सर मेरा थोड़ा सा अलग क्वेश्चन है इससे कोर्स से रिलेटेड. सर आपने एक पिछले लेक्चर में कहा था कि पिछले लेक्चर में कि आईआईटी मद्रास में जैसे बहुत सारे पेटेंट्स फाइल होते हैं, लेकिन जब उन पे आरटीआई होती है तो फिर पता नहीं लगता कि उनसे कितना मनी आया और वो सब चीजें आई. लेकिन सर मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि पेटेंट का मतलब तो यही 3 कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए कि नोवेल्टी होनी चाहिए, इन्वेंटिव प्रोसेस होना चाहिए और यूजफुल होनी चाहिए। तो फिर क्या गैप रह रहा है जिससे कि वो एक्चुअल इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो पा रही, और इसको हम कैसे कुछ नज कर सकते हैं उसकी तरफ? ये इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन था।
ऐसा देखो, 3 चीजें हैं जो मैं रिपीटेडली बहुत बार बताया है। पहली चीज, जब हम कुछ पेटेंट फाइल करते हैं तो बाय एंड लार्ज एकेडमिया में इन इंडिया एज वेल एज इन अदर कंट्री जो होता है, वो कहते हैं कि हमें रिसर्च ये करनी है जिससे कि हमारा पेपर पब्लिकेशन उस इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर जर्नल में आ जाएगा हमारा, और पब्लिकेशन के हिसाब से पीएचडी का रिसर्च का काम चालू करते हैं। और जो रिसर्च होती है उसका जो पब्लिकेशन करते हैं उससे पहले कहते हैं इसका पेटेंट भी फाइल कर दो, तो उसकी कमर्शियल वर्दीनेस ज़्यादा नहीं होती है। यू आर गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट?
यस सर।
पेटेंट आपके हो गए पर कमर्शियल वर्दीनेस ज़्यादा नहीं है उसकी, तो वो उसका कमर्शियल और इकोनॉमिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ज़्यादा यूजफुल नहीं रहता, एक बात। तो दूसरी बात है कि अगर हमें कमर्शियली वर्दी पेटेंट चाहिए तो जो हम रिसर्च का टॉपिक चूज करते हैं, इट शुड बी कि व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द इंडस्ट्री। इंडस्ट्री में आप देखिए उसके लिए कि मार्केटिंग पीपल आर, जो मैनेजमेंट का ज़्यादा उसमें रोल आ जाता है। मार्केटिंग पीपल आर इन टच विद द कंज्यूमर्स। एचआर के और फाइनेंस के और टेक्निकल लोग तो नहीं है ना कंज्यूमर के टच में। कौन होता है बताओ कंज्यूमर के टच में?
यस सर।
मार्केटिंग के लोग। अच्छा, मार्केटिंग के लोग जब होते हैं तो जब कंज्यूमर के टच में होते हैं तो कंज्यूमर को जो प्रॉब्लम होती है कि यार इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये ठीक करो, ये ठीक नहीं है प्रॉब्लम। मैं हिस्टोरिकल एग्जांपल देता हूँ, उसको आप फ्यूचर के लिए प्रोजेक्ट कर लो। जैसे कि एक आयरन होती थी पहले जिसमें कि ऑटोमेटिक आयरन नहीं थी, इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन। पहले कोयले वाली आयरन होती थी, तो जो कोयला होता था उसका जो जो पतंगा होता है ना, कच्चा कोयला वो होता है जिसके ऊपर आप भुट्टा सेकते हो, है ना, कौन सेकते हैं ना वो कच्चे कोयले ऊपर। कच्चा कोयला होता है, बहुत सॉफ्ट कोक बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में उसको, हिंदी में कच्चा कोयला, इंग्लिश में सॉफ्ट कोक। सॉफ्ट कोक बड़ा लाइट वेट होता है और उसके ऊपर बड़ी अच्छी तरह सिकाई होती है, और उसके ऊपर जो भुट्टा सेकते हैं तो इस तरह से है कि उसके ऊपर जो जब होते हैं ना थोड़ा पतंगे आते हैं, तो जो जो आयरन होती है उसमें वही कच्चा कोयला डालते थे, सॉफ्ट कोक। और अभी भी जो आयरन करते हैं, जो जो होता है ना वॉशरमैन, जो आयरन मैन, वो आप कपड़े लेके जाइए कि मेरे रोजाना ये 10 कपड़े हैं, 5 कपड़े हैं, उनको आयरन करा के लाते हैं। तो काफ़ी जगहों पर, दिल्ली, बॉम्बे को छोड़ दो, बाकी जगहों पर इंडिया में अभी कोयले वाली प्रेस चलती है। चलो यहाँ पे जो है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, अवेलेबल है, जो भी कुछ है वो इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन से आपकी आयरनिंग करते हैं। अच्छा, कहीं आपकी आयरन थोड़ी तेज़ लग गई, कपड़ा जल जाता था पहले, और शायद ही कोई ऐसा होगा जिसने एक भी कपड़ा नहीं जलाया हो आयरन करते समय। कुछ ब्राउन हो जाते थे, कभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा जल जाता था, कभी एक ही कुछ पॉलिएस्टर वाला होता था तो थोड़े से उसमें बहुत जल्दी जल जाता था। यू कुड नॉट कंट्रोल द टेम्परेचर। तो कंज्यूमर ने कहा कि भई ये जो आयरन होती है इट शुड बी, इसमें वो होना चाहिए कि हम कंट्रोल कर सकें इसका टेम्परेचर। तो अब सब आयरन वो ही आती हैं आजकल जिसमें ऊपर एक नॉब होता है, उसमें 1 2 3 4 या उसमें ना हॉट, वार्म, सिल्क विल्क इस तरह के 4 वो दे के नाम दे रखे हैं, कॉटन। तो आप नॉब को घुमा लीजिए, उतना ही गर्म होगी, और उसमें थर्मोस्टेट है वो बंद हो जाएगा गर्म होना, उसकी लाइट बंद हो जाएगी आपकी। उससे ज़्यादा गर्म ही नहीं होगी वो। तो कंज्यूमर्स के जो है, अगर आप कहते हैं कि भाई मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक, आप नाउ कम टू द इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, यू नो, ए पीएचडी स्कॉलर, वो कहता है कि भाई जो इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन है इसमें एक थर्मोस्टेट लगा के इसमें इस तरह के हम कर दें जिससे कि लोग इसको कंट्रोल कर लें, उतने पे टेम्परेचर फिक्स हो जाए इसका। उन्हें 4-5 तरीके बना देते हैं कि एक सिल्क है, एक कॉटन है, एक पॉलिएस्टर है, एक वूलन है, एक कॉटन है। तो ये चीज़ का अगर वो इन्वेंशन करता, उसको पेटेंट करता, तो इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन बनाने वाली कंपनी इस पेटेंट को लेती और उसको करोड़ रुपए मिलते हैं रॉयल्टी में। मिलते या नहीं?
मिलते।
तो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो आईआईटी मद्रास से और न्यूज़पेपर में आई थी, वो मैं बता रहा था कि वहाँ पे उन्होंने बड़ा हाई-फाई होके कुछ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके कुछ दिया कि हमारे 1000 का फिगर पार कर लिया हमने।
हाँ।
तो वो जब वो अपने को अपना बता रहे थे हम इतने बड़े हैं, ग्रेट हैं, तो किसी ने पूछ लिया कि इनमें से कितने कमर्शियलाइज़ हुई हैं बता दो आप? आपने
हाँ
फाइल
सर,
किया
उन्होंने
ना,
बस लिंक ही दे दिया, बस मैंने वही
बस
आरटीएफ
उन्होंने
लिख
इतना।
दी।
तो ये बात होती है कि आप जो है
हाँ।
ना, आप किसी भी चीज में उसको आप जब रिसर्च करते हो, उससे पहले आप ये देखो कि व्हाट इज नॉट देयर विच इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय द कंज्यूमर्स। कंज्यूमर को
सर
जिस चीज जरूरत है, अभी देखो स्कूटर में ब्लिंकर नहीं होते थे पहले, अब से 30 साल पहले, 30 ईयर्स पहले, 35 ईयर्स पहले ब्लिंकर्स नहीं होते थे स्कूटर्स में।
हाँ
आप
राइट।
आप राइट के हाथ से राइट को हाथ दे देते थे, टर्न करना है तो राइट को, और लेफ्ट को टर्न करना है तो लेफ्ट से आप हाथ दे देते थे, लेफ्ट टर्न कर लेते हाथ देके। तो आपको लगा कि भाई स्कूटर में, जो कार में होता है, राइट और लेफ्ट टर्न करने के लिए लाइट जलती है, इंडिकेटर होता है, स्कूटर में भी होना चाहिए और बाइक में भी होना चाहिए, नहीं तो पीछे से कोई आदमी एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा ना। आपके पीछे कोई कार आ रही
यस
है,
सर।
आपने राइट को हाथ दिया, मुड़ के आपके हाथ देने से पहले उसने आपको ठोक दिया, क्योंकि आप तो लेफ्ट को थे सड़क के और वो राइट से आ रहा था, आपको ओवरटेक कर रहा था। तो आपने विदाउट रियलाइजिंग कि somebody is on my right side and overtaking me, आपने हाथ थोड़ा सा हिलाया और राइट को टर्न कर दिया और आपको ठोक दिया उसने। किसी की जान गई, किसी का मेजर एक्सीडेंट हो गया, किसी हाथ पांव चले गए। तो ये है कि आपको जो प्रॉब्लम फेस जो है ना, आपकी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, आप इन्वेंशन जब कर पाएंगे जबकि यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व ए प्रॉब्लम दैट इज बीइंग फेस्ड बाय द यूजर्स ऑफ एनी प्रोडक्ट। और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में भी यही है कि यू बिकम ए सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर इफ यू प्रोड्यूस द प्रोडक्ट्स which are serving unserved needs of the people. जो tortoise coil serve the needs of the people, मच्छर पूरे इंडिया में होते हैं, क्लाइमेट ही ऐसा है, पूरे इंडिया में मच्छर होते हैं और 10-11 महीने तो होती हैं मच्छर कम से कम। तो जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती है, आप ऑल आउट गुड नाइट नहीं चला सकते थे। 50 साल से टॉर्टोइज मैट आती थी, एक कॉइल वाली आती थी ना, मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट।
यस सर, आती थी।
अच्छा, वो मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट जो आता था, उसके बाद में ऑल आउट और गुड नाइट आ गए। इन्होंने कहा कि उसके लिए आपको, वो तो जलती है, धुआं आता है, खांसी आती है, वो बेकार चीज है। ऑल आउट गुड नाइट आ गए। ऑल आउट गुड नाइट ने पहले तो मैट लगाया था जो कि थोड़ा वेपोराइज होता था और मैट जल सूख जाता था, वो खत्म हो जाता था 3-4 घंटे में। तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो प्लग इन वाला कर देते हैं, इसमें आप उसको ऑन रखोगे तो रात भर चलता रहेगा। उसके बाद में उसकी इम्यूनिटी कम हो गई, मच्छरों को मतलब उससे नहीं मरने लगे मच्छर, तो इन्होंने एक बूस्टर ले आए हैं। परंतु आप अगर चौपाल पे बैठे हैं विलेज में, वहाँ पे कौन-सा आप लगा लेंगे गुड नाइट और ऑल आउट?
यस
टॉर्टोइज
सर, अभी
कॉइल
भी वही अभी पर्टिनेंट है।
आज भी जो इंडिया के 60% 70% जगहों पर टॉर्टोइज कॉइल की जो रोबस्टनेस है, वो आज की डेट में भी वही है। और दैट इज द रीजन
हाँ।
कि गुड नाइट एंड ऑल आउट दोनों कंपनीज ने वो कॉइल बनानी भी चालू कर दी, जो कि माचिस से जला के आप जलाते हैं,
हाँ।
टॉर्टोइज जैसी। क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी रोबस्टनेस है। तो वो प्रोडक्ट जब आया मार्केट में और आजकल की लेटेस्ट कंपनीज भी उस प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर जा रही हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट था। इट सर्व द अनसर्व्ड नीड्स ऑफ द पीपल। और उसने जितना कमाया, और जो टॉर्टोइज कॉइल जितनी फेमस हुई इंडिया में, उतनी फेमस हुई टॉर्टोइज कॉइल जितनी कि यूएसए में कोक फेमस है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ब्रांड इक्विटी, ब्रांड वैल्यू, या ट्रेडमार्क की वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रेडमार्क समझ लो। तो ये जो चीजें होती हैं, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड आपका जो है जो रिसर्च करते हैं उसमें देखो कि इससे क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रही है। अगर आप कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देंगे तो आपका पेटेंट जो है कॉमर्शियली बहुत वर्दी होगा, आप 100 200-500 करोड़ रुपए कमा लोगे। ठीक है। और इसमें जो है, मैं एक और चीज कहता हूँ कि जो बीटेक के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, उनको इतना पब्लिकेशन और पब्लिकेशन के बेसिस पे जॉब का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता। आपको जो जॉब मिलेगी बीटेक के स्टूडेंट को, आईआईटी से बीटेक के इसलिए मिलेगी या उसके प्रोजेक्ट में क्या क्या उसके बेसिस पे मिलेगी, बताओ? आईआईटी या बीटेक है ना, इसलिए मिल रही है जॉब क्योंकि उसने जेई एडवांस क्रैक किया था, which is a very very special achievement for a person of that age. तो यू आर यू नो क्रीम ऑफ द क्रीम, तो आप क्रीम ऑफ द क्रीम ऑफ द क्रीम हो, तो आपको इसलिए जॉब मिल रही है। और आपने प्रोजेक्ट में किया कि तो आप बीटेक के प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसी चीज लो जिससे कि कोई चीज आपको डेली देखते हो उसकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर दो आप। एक प्रोडक्ट है स्टिच रिमूवर, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन द स्टिच रिमूवर? आर यू अवेयर ऑफ इट?
No, sir.
No.
अच्छा, मैं अभी मेरे पास मैं देखता हूँ, अगर हुआ तो मैं अभी दिखा देता हूँ। लेट मी जस्ट सी माय मेरा कैमरा क्यों नहीं ऑन हो रहा, वीडियो ऑन नहीं हो रहा मेरा?
Sir, I think you have to get permission first.
हाँ, तो ईशान इसको, ईशान चले गया क्या?
हो सर आई मेरे सर।
हाँ, तो जरा इसको करो, मेरा ऑन करो वीडियो।
I guess sir, you are screen sharing, that's why it's not.
अच्छा, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बंद नहीं हुआ अभी तक मेरा?
नो सर, योर स्क्रीन इज
अच्छा,
विजिबल टू अस।
एक मिनट। अभी स्क्रीन शेयर अभी भी चल रहा है?
Yes, sir. You have to. Yes,
Yes, sir.
there.
चलो, ठीक है। अच्छा, ये बताओ कि ये क्या प्रोडक्ट है, दिख रहा है ये प्रोडक्ट?
Yes, sir. We can see it.
USB
इसमें
ports type.
हाँ, इसमें 4 वो आ जाते हैं ना आपके
USB
लैपटॉप
port.
में, पीसी में कितने होते हैं? 2 होते हैं या 3 होते हैं?
Yes, sir. 2 or 3.
2 और 3। इसमें 1 लगाए, 2 लगाए, तीसरा लगाया आपने। तो ये जो इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ना, जो कि आपको लगता है कि भाई इसमें लिमिटेशन है, आप अगर कुछ चीज़ लगाना चाहते हो, पावर पॉइंट दिखाना चाहते हो, कुछ और करना चाहते हो, तो ये आपके पास में, आप कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग वाले ने ये इन्वेंशन करी होती तो उसका पेटेंट करता, तो उसको यूजफुल होता ना, कमर्शियलाइजेशन होता।
Yes, sir. But isn't it that like it is? Isn't it obvious, sir?
नहीं, देखो ऑब्वियस होता है, पर इसमें क्या होता है कि पीएचडी में वो देखते हैं कि आपने इसमें ऐसी रिसर्च क्या की, वैसी रिसर्च क्या की, परंतु बीटेक में तो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना। बीटेक को जॉब मिलता है बीटेक की वजह से, तो बीटेक के प्रोजेक्ट में कोई भी ऐसी चीज बना दो आप, दैट विल बी वेरी गुड, यूजफुल एंड कॉमर्शियली वर्दी चीज कर सकते हो इसमें आप बीटेक के प्रोजेक्ट में। उसका पब्लिकेशन का कोई इतना ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होता बीटेक के प्रोजेक्ट के, ठीक है। ये क्या है बताओ, कैन यू सी दिस?
Yes, sir. We can see.
क्या है बताओ?
इट इज एन ईयर प्लग सर।
ईयर प्लग है, बिल्कुल सही कह रहा हूँ। ये ईयर प्लग है ना, दिख रहा है ये कहाँ मेरा हाथ? हाँ, ये यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना कैमरा, ये रहा।
Yes, sir. We can see.
ईयर प्लग है ना, ये मुझे एयरलाइन से मिला। अब ये ईयर प्लग है। बीटेक में अगर आप ईयर प्लग बना देते हैं कि भाई आपको है कि एक जना टीवी देख रहा है घर पे, दूसरा सोना है, तो कान में लगा के आप सो जाओ, आपको टीवी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी होती है जो कि आपका प्रैक्टिकल यूज होता है ना, उसका पेटेंट होता है। ये फोर्क देखा है आपने, उसमें आता है ना, किसमें यो चाइना है, किसमें आता था ये फोर्क, फोल्डिंग फोर्क।
Yes, sir.
ये होता है ना, फोल्डिंग फोर्क है ये, ठीक है ना।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसको आप फोल्ड कर लें और छोटा सा हो गया, इसको ले जाएंगे कहीं पर भी। ये स्पून है, फोल्डिंग स्पून है
Yes, sir.
है ना, फोल्डिंग स्पून।
Yes, sir.
ये लो, ये
सर नहीं तो टिफिन बॉक्स में आता है, नहीं तो पहले तो।
हाँ, तो टिफिन बॉक्स में आता है ना, तो किसी ने तो इन्वेंट किया ना, उसने पैसा कमाया।
Yes, sir.
आप
Yes.
इन्वेंट करो, आप पैसा कमाओ। ये तो पहले ही मैंने शायद दिखाए थे, जो शार्पनर होता है ना विद कवर, क्या ना, शार्पनर विद कवर।
Yes, sir. We have seen that.
ये क्या है बताओ? This you can, you know what is this? Everybody knows it.
लॉक करने के लिए से
लॉक करने
Yes,
के
sir.
ना,
Yes, sir. It is for that.
ये आपको अगर कि लॉक ले जाना भूल गए आप, तो वहां पे एयरपोर्ट पर आपको मिल जाएगा, तो लॉक हो जाएगा आपका सूटकेस, है ना? तो ये इसमें नई चीज है ना ये क्या है बताओ? कैन यू सी दिस? एकदम
We
समझ में
can
नहीं आया।
see, but we
ये
can
है,
see.
ये जो है ना, इसके जो हुक हैं, ये चश्मे, ये जो चश्मा होता है ना, ये चश्मे के इसमें लग जाता है ये हुक पीछे से। तो चश्मा आप अगर घोड़े पे जा रहे हैं ना, राइडिंग कर रहे हैं आप, तभी गिरेगा नहीं चश्मा आपका। नहीं तो चश्मे वाले राइडिंग कैसे करेंगे बताओ? चश्मे वाला अगर घोड़े पे जाएगा और घोड़ा तेजी से दौड़ेगा, आप आईपीएस में हैं, तो घोड़ा दौड़ेगा तो आपका चश्मा कैसे टिकेगा कान के ऊपर बताओ? टिकेगा? ये उसको ये जो चश्मा होता है ना, इसमें इसको दोनों तरफ से पीछे कर लेते हैं और दोनों तरफ इसमें हुक लगे हुए हैं दोनों तरफ। इन हुक से ये जो है ना, इधर को हुक है, देखो इसके दिख रहे हैं हुक थोड़े से?
यस सर।
तो इसकी वजह से ये चश्मा आपका रुका रहेगा। ये क्या है बताओ? बताया था मैंने बिगनिंग में, एक बार क्लास में बताया था मैंने। व्हाट इज दिस? समझ में आता है कुछ?
ब्लू स्टिक तो नहीं है सर?
नहीं, ये है इसमें, ये है आपका टूथब्रश और इसमें ये था टूथपेस्ट छोटा सा। ये इसमें आ गया, टूथपेस्ट आ गया आपका।
ये तो पहली बार देखा है।
ये एयरलाइंस में मिलता है आपको, मार्केट में क्यों नहीं बिक जाता? और एयरलाइंस ने भी देना चालू किया, तो ये जो है, इसको है कि ये जो इसके ब्रिस्टल्स हैं ब्रश के, खराब नहीं होंगे ना इसमें, ये आ गया तो। आप जाते हो कभी ट्रेन में? अब तो सब काफ़ी कम हो गया ट्रैवल वगैरह, पर ट्रेन में जाते थे तो लोग मॉर्निंग में सारे लोग पूरे कंपार्टमेंट में 72 लोग बैठते थे सेकंड क्लास में, और 72 लोग जाके ब्रश करते थे। और उनके ब्रश की हालत अगर कभी देखी हो तो इतनी खराब होती थी, क्योंकि उसका कवर ढंग का नहीं होता था। इसमें वो पूरी ब्रश आपकी कवर है छोटे से साइज में, आपको इजीली आप अपने ट्रैवल किट में ले गए साथ में। छोटी छोटी सी इतनी हजारों चीजें हैं, तो मैं बता रहा था। ये हाँ, ये मिल गया मुझे। ये जो है, कैन यू सी दिस?
यस।
ये दिख रहा है? इसका इधर और था, इसमें बीच में ब्लेड बड़ा शार्प है, इसको इधर से डालते हैं तो स्टिच को रिमूव करना होता है ना, कुछ चीज सिल गई, गलत सिल गई, तो उसको करना है तो पहले टाइम में क्या करते, ब्लेड से काटते थे, ब्लेड से कपड़ा कट जाता था, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी। तो समबडी थॉट कि प्रॉब्लम है, इसको सॉल्व कैसे किया जाए, तो ये स्टिच रिमूवर है। इससे यहाँ बीच में इसका बड़ा शार्प है, और दोनों तरफ ऐसा ब्लंट के ऊपर वो उन्होंने, जैसे आलपिन होता है ना, उस तरह की घुंडी है इसके ऊपर, स्फेरिकल सी। तो इसको बीच में से लेके जाएंगे तो ये तो कहीं चुभेगा भी नहीं, किसी के खून नहीं निकलेगा, कुछ नहीं होगा। और इसको बीच में से करेंगे तो वो स्टिच जैसे होता है ना, इसमें से ये स्टिच रिमूव किया मुझे, ये वाला ये वाला ये वाला, फटाफट स्टिच रिमूव हो जाएंगे। दिस इज द स्टिच रिमूवर। अब ये मार्केट में कहाँ आता है? आपका दिमाग दौड़ा है कि भाई जो स्टिच करते थे उसको गलत स्टिच हो गया, उसको रिमूव करना है, तो आपको ये इससे वो होगा कि ब्लेड से करते थे पहले ज़माने में, या बहुत छोटी वाली कैंची से करते थे, टाइम ज़्यादा लगता था। इससे इतना फास्ट होता है और सेफ है, सही है, कपड़ा खराब नहीं तो कपड़ा कटता नहीं है, और जल्दी-जल्दी आप इस चीज़ को रिमूव कर सकते हो गलत सिलाई होगी तो। तो ये छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट होती हैं, आपको दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा इस तरह की सब चीज़ों के ऊपर, ठीक है? तो ये देखो, ये जैसे ये वाला है, ये देखे ना आपने, ये वाला प्लग होता है, ठीक है, सर्कुलर वाला होता है, और इसमें ये वाला है पीछे को, इसमें आप लगा सकते हो। दिख रहा है कि नहीं है?
Yes,
तो
sir, we can see.
ये वाले जो चपटे वाले होते हैं जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में आते हैं, इसको इसमें आपने लगा दिया, तो इंडिया में ये लगाया और वहां पे चपटे वाला लग गया। यह है कि अगर यहाँ से बाहर जाते हो यूरोप में, तो चपटे वाला जो होता है, ठीक है, ये चपटे वाला है ना, इसको वहां पे लगाया उनके सॉकेट में, और हमारे वाला जो प्लग होता है ये वाला अपना, इसको इसमें लगा दिया हमने। तो किसी ने इसका किया ना, बीटेक वाले क्यों नहीं बना सकते इस तरह की चीजें दिमाग लगा के? बताओ
सर। क्योंकि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत ही लिमिटेड है वैसे। और सर मतलब मैं आपकी बात एग्री कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर्स हैं और जो मार्केटर्स हैं उनके बीच का गैप बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है, कि मतलब ग्रास रूट लेवल पे क्या हो रहा है और किस चीज की फंडिंग मिल रही है, उसमें बहुत फर्क आ जाता है।
देखो ऐसा है कि बीटेक के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बहुत ज्यादा फंडिंग वगैरह की इतनी जरूरत नहीं होती है। ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो कि आपको, अब आजकल तो क्या है कि इंटरनेट पे आप हजारों चीजें देख सकते हो, है ना। आप आजकल इतनी सारी साइट्स बनी हुई हैं, आप कहोगे लोगों की प्रॉब्लम क्या है, वो भी मिल जाएगी साइट पे आपको,
Yes, sir.
है ना। वो मैंने बताया था yetu.com, वो कहता है कि लोगों को क्या, इंडस्ट्री को किस चीज की जरूरत है। IIT के कितने प्रोफेसर हैं जो yetu.com जाके उसमें देखें क्या प्रॉब्लम है इंडस्ट्री को, बताओ मुझे।
Which website you said?
जो वैल्यूएशन का जो पढ़ाया था मैंने, IP वैल्यूएशन, पेटेंट वैल्यूएशन पढ़ाया था ना,
Yes, sir.
यस
उसमें yetu.com, YET yet numeral 2.com, yetu.com। ये छोटा सा मालूम है सबको, ये शू शाइनर आता है छोटा सा, है ना, होटल से मिलता है ना ये, होटल्स में ये शू शाइनर रखा होता है ज्यादा अच्छे होटल जगह होता है, होम में वो है। अच्छा, ये शू शाइनर जो है ये किसी ने इन्वेंट किया ना, पॉलिशिंग वाज तो डिफिकल्ट, है ना, तो ये सब होता था। तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, इसकी कोई कमी नहीं है। तो shall I close it now?
Yes, sir.
यस
तो इस तरह के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स, यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर माइंड, यू हैव टू डू सम मोर सर्च। अपना इंटरनेट तो इतनी अच्छी चीज है आजकल के जमाने में, आप पता नहीं क्या क्या कर सकते हो इंटरनेट से। हमारे जमाने में इंटरनेट नहीं था, बहुत बड़ा रिग्रेट है हमें इस बात का, नहीं तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी वुड हैव अचीव्ड इन लाइफ। चलो, ओके देन, ऑल द बेस्ट।
So thank you so much, sir.
ओके, बाय।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.